Alright, what's up guys, and today we're going to be talking about the major winter storm Ezekiel again, and this time we're going to bring out the forecast for the Northeast for this major blizzard that is going to hit the Northeast about December 1st, December 2nd, maybe even last even later. But before we get into this, I would recommend subscribing if you do like weather-related content. And make sure to go check out my social medias right down below in the description. Anyways, let's get right into this forecast. So, right here we're looking at the current Northeast hazards. Pretty much watches and warnings and advisories. And we could see here, first of all, we have an ice storm warning for part of the central southern part of Pennsylvania and the northern part of Virginia, and this is warning you that there will be a ice storm. So there will probably most likely be ice pretty much everywhere. And move on to next, the winter weather advisories in this lighter purple here. This is warning you that there is going to be winter weather in your area, so definitely keep an eye out on the roads. And we also have winter storm watches in effect for parts of New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Virginia, no, not Vermont, and all these states in this blue color. You are in a winter storm watch, so definitely keep an eye out on this winter storm. It could be dangerous. Definitely some travel impacts. In a later video see the airport impacts from this. It just depends on how bad it will be. And then lastly, we have the winter storm warnings in effect for parts of New York and Vermont. And this is in this pink color. You are in a winter storm warning if you're in this pink color. So this means you will see at least 1 to 2 inches per hour, maybe even 3 inches per hour. And you're gonna see a lot of snow from this in these parts. This is why the National Weather Service issued a winter storm warning for these. And next we'll be looking at the GFS model for this winter storm. But we can see, so this is where they and then we move it forward. The mix will stay there for a couple hours. It'll move out and then turn into snow. So this mix and rain will turn into ice, and this snow is gonna stay here for a while until about December 3rd. It'll finally move out of the area. So this snow is gonna last all the way from this probably tomorrow, and then it'll last for 2 days. This is where you're gonna see the most of the snow here, and then it'll finally move out northeast about December 3rd. December 3rd evening, it'll finally move out. And you can see some snow showers moving in also after this. So you will definitely see a lot of you'll definitely see some lake effect snow. This is showing lake effect snow. Right here in this blue, this is lake effect snow. So guys are definitely going to get a lot of snow. So now we are looking at the amount of snow you will expect. And you can actually see in this very dark purple up to 20 inches of snow. And all this circle, if you're in the circle of black, you're going to see up to at least 16 inches of snow. So that's definitely a lot of snow. And then also over pretty much in this whole area, except this little circle, you're gonna see up to, hold on. Alright, so in about this whole area here, you're gonna see up to about 7 inches. The parts, not including this part, but if you're in these parts of where you're gonna get less snow than this part, then you're gonna see up to 7 inches of snow. So still a lot of snow. So definitely be careful on the roads this weekend and this week. Pretty much, just be careful on the roads. Keep an eye. Try to stay home if the roads are this bad. If the roads are that bad, and you can also see up to 14 inches of snow over in this area down in Virginia. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to consider subscribing if you do like weather related content, and stay safe.